When to sell your crypto and take profits. Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about a very simple strategy in order to take profits during this current bull run that is about to come up right after the 2024 Bitcoin halving. So, guys, make sure you tune into this video. It should give you guys a lot of advice on what I'm personally doing and what you guys can do to maximize your profit and maximize your ROI in this bull run, because the Bitcoin happening happens once every 4 years. So you really need to be prepared in advance. And it's really a good idea to have a kind of a pre-planned investment strategy, so you're not kind of wondering what to do, assuming that Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets follow historical trends. Before I get into the video, guys, please smash the like button. It really helps. So with the Bitcoin halving coming up in just a few weeks on approximately April 20th, a lot of people in crypto are wondering when they should take profits. So if you guys got in early, you guys bought that dip when the FTX collapsed back in like November 2022, or you bought around January 2023, or even if you bought recently in 2024. A lot of people are up on their crypto positions over the last 52 weeks, or if you just bought in recently, you're probably up at least a little bit, especially if you invested in some of these crypto altcoins like Solana, Ethereum, Doge, okay, Pepe, ICP. There's just been a handful of coins along with Bitcoin that are up due to kind of a positive sentiment about crypto markets, the Bitcoin halving anticipation. Also, those Bitcoin ETFs have added a lot of liquidity into the Bitcoin markets, because when people buy Bitcoin ETFs, Wall Street is forced at the end of each trading day to kind of actually go to the market and purchase that Bitcoin for their clients. So this is all positive momentum, and this is why there's so much money poured into the crypto. So right now, crypto's market cap, as I'm recording this video, is around 2.5 trillion, and I expect that to exceed $10 trillion during this bull run. But you guys need to kind of have in the back of your mind when exactly to take profits on your positions, okay? Crypto ebbs and flows. It doesn't go up forever, and there will be a bear market period where crypto, a lot of liquidity is removed from crypto, which is another word for profit taking, okay? Whales, Wall Street, guys like you and me who bought in earlier are going to take some profit simply because, you need money to live your life, pay bills, buy things, take care of your family, take care of yourself, etc., etc. So I'm going to give you guys kind of my predetermined plan for profit taking during this current bull run that's going to be leading in the 2024 and 2025 and potentially into 2026, because each bull run has gotten longer and longer and longer simply because more people are kind of hodling Bitcoin and other altcoins, and that keeps a lot of liquidity into these coins, which forces the bull runs to last longer. So let's get right into it. So the first place to take profits in this current crypto bull run is the day of the Bitcoin halving. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Why would I sell any of my crypto on the day of the Bitcoin halving? Well, it's very simple. The reason you're going to do this is because there's an old kind of saying that goes on Wall Street, and that's where most of my background is. Before I got into crypto, I spent over a decade, almost 2 decades, dealing with the stock market and equity markets, and that's simply buy the rumor, sell the news. So when the Bitcoin halving happens, it's going to make headline news all over CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, okay, all of the crypto newspapers, all over social media. Everyone's going to get really excited. And you want to take profits in excitement. So when people get really excited about crypto, that's when you want to take profits. And you'll be able to tell excitement, like I said, you'll see media headlines all over the place, but you'll also see a lot of people taking screenshots, okay, of their positions, posting them on social media. And you'll hear about crypto in the workplace. Maybe you go to work and everyone's asking you, if you're like, the crypto guy at your job, they asking you, Bitcoin's at an all-time high or Ethereum's up. So when a lot of people start talking, when the interest is too high, that's a good time to take profits, okay? And normally I would say when you take profits, you don't want to necessarily dump all of your position, because remember, crypto bull run is going to run into 2025, potentially 2026. So that's a time where at the halving, if you need a little bit of money, if you want to, pay some bills, pay down your debts, or buy something nice for yourself, you could take maybe 2 to 5% of your position off the table and take some profits, okay? If you wanted to take 10%, I would never take more than 10%, because once again, the bull run is going to keep running. So that would be a good time to take some profits on the day of the Bitcoin halving, okay? The second time to take profits is during Bitcoin and crypto's historically down period. Now, that's usually towards the tail end of the summer and the months of August and September. Now, September is the worst performing month for crypto, and August is the second worst performing month. So, the first time to take some profits would be the day of the Bitcoin halving, April 20th, 24. The second time, in my opinion, would be probably September, okay? Just because August is a little bit better, but September is the worst month for crypto and for the stock market. So I would take some profits in September 2024. That's because October is one of the best months. So I would take a little bit of profits in September 2024, right? Once again, 2 to 5% would be my recommendation. 10% would be the max. 2 to 5% off the table in September 2024. And then if you have some money, you can buy right back in right before on like October 1st. So October, we also call it in the crypto markets. For you guys new to crypto markets, it's called Uptober. Usually October is a really, really bullish month for Bitcoin and crypto. So I would, take some profits in September 2024, buy right back in October 1st, okay, if you wanted to buy back in, okay. And then the third time to take profits potentially in 2024 would be near the holiday season. This is a time where a lot of people are, spending time with your family. You're buying gifts and things like that for your kids, if you have kids, or, friends and family, things like that. Around the holidays would be a third time. But for me personally, I'm probably not going to be taking many profits during the holidays. But if you need to, once again, 2 to 5% of your portfolio off the table would be my recommendation. So let's say you're very, very, very bullish about crypto and you just take 2%. So if you took 2% off at the halving, 2% off during September 2024, the 2% during the holidays, you've only liquidated just under around 6% of your portfolio. You still have 94% of your crypto left, and you still have enough cash in the game where you have 94%, which is still an A. Okay, you're still well into the game if you've taken some money off the table and you spend some money to enjoy yourself, pay bills, do whatever you need to do. Okay, now into 2025, this is kind of a new territory because Bitcoin and crypto markets should be really pumping in 2025 as we're leading towards the peak, in my opinion, of the bull run. Okay, another time to take some profits would be, I think 2025 is going to be a really, really, really strong year. So I'm not going to be taking many profits at all during 2025 until, once again, leading up into crypto's historically down months, which are basically August and September. So for me, on August 16, 2025, August 16 is my birthday, guys. That's when I'm probably going to take the most money off the table in terms of crypto. I'll probably take, if I want, I'm really thinking about getting a little bit into real estate during the peak of this bull run. So I'll probably take a pretty big chunk of my crypto off the table. I also invested in crypto stocks. So depending on how those crypto stocks perform, I'll probably liquidate my crypto stocks first and then try to hold on to as much as my crypto, because in my opinion, my crypto is more valuable than my stock portfolio. So right again, once and around August 16th, 2025, that's when I'll be doing the bulk of my selling in this entire bull run. I'll probably take anywhere from 10% to 25% of the money off the table, lock in those gains. And then, like I said, if the bull run continues well into 2025, towards like Q4, I would probably take some more profits. Now, I am curious to see if this bull run runs into 2026. I don't know, because historically, Bitcoin and crypto really hasn't run that far. Usually, it's best to take profits 500 days after the Bitcoin halving, okay? So 500 days after the Bitcoin halving is approximately, if you do the math really quickly, it's like something like 16 months, give or take, after the halving. So if the halving happened in April, the best time to take profits would be at a year, and then May, June, July, August. So that's why I said around my birthday, August 16, because that's around 500 days after the halving. But a lot of people think the bull run is going to run into 2026. So that's why I'm only taking at max 25% off the table to see if this bull run goes further. If it runs into 2026, probably around Christmas time, December 25th, 2025, I'll be selling the other 25%. So my goal would be to liquidate like half of my portfolio. I don't believe in selling everything because as an American, it's not really good for tax reasons. I don't know where you guys live. There's some tax-friendly countries in terms of crypto. I know Dubai is very popular, but in Americans, usually when we take profits on stocks, U.S. equities like stocks or crypto, we have to pay taxes on those gains. So for me, I'm going to be liquidating half of my portfolio, and I'm going to be keeping as much of the crypto as possible, but I'm going to be liquidating about 50% of my holdings, take that money, looking to get into some real estate or something like that, whatever, take a nice vacation, maybe take a vacation to Europe, whatever I want to do, but I would be selling half and holding on to the other chunk because I got started in crypto in 2019 and I hodled a lot of that stuff. But now that this is my second go around in terms of cycles, I know a little bit more, a lot more about what should happen or what may happen. So I think I'm able to kind of make better decisions like that. But like I said, guys, these are just some key dates that I came up with. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen in terms of crypto. These bull runs, it can be unpredictable. Things can happen, and you really have to be careful that you're not selling too much too early because you're going to miss out on a lot of your potential gains. So I expect a lot of Bitcoin to run. I expect a lot of these altcoins to run further as well. So like I said, guys, this is just my advice. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. Do you think Bitcoin is going to run much further? When are you guys taking profits? Let me know. I'm going to list these key dates in the comment section below so you guys can check them out. And like I said, guys, if you enjoyed my content, please smash the subscribe button. It really helps me out. So that's all I got. Until next time, guys. Take care.